Is your dimension bigger or smaller than mine? Why are you still questioning me? It's been a month, and I'm not stopping now. What do you want from me? Well, can you turn people different colors? What color do you want to be? Red! Now I'm gonna erase your memory so you don't remember who I am. What did you just... What are you doing out of the LOL?
Your mind-wiping skills are flawless.
This is all a dream. Now leave and go on with your day.
Brains don't have brains. You can wipe my mind, fool.
Please don't tell anyone that this happened.
Only under one condition.
Ready, TP? TP.
Sorry, golf ball.
I just can't stop thinking about this dream. It's about these aliens and spaceships coming after us. Yeah, it's just a crazy dream. Nothing more to it.
Finally, freedom. How do you know it's for you? Because I got the second most votes in Idfb 2. So?
We really need to stop killing each other.
Let's start preventing death and creating trust. I don't want to be part of that.
Pen, don't forget to recover basketball.
No. Wait, no!
The wild teleporter isn't responding. Something's corrupting it. Maybe that's the problem.
Huh?
They found me.
Yeah, sure. That's what he always says. It's good that Foreman took Wiki to fix his little mind swap problem. Now I can make a plan. If I want to take over this pathetic planet, I'll need to get Four out of the picture. Maybe I can manipulate one of those contestants' minds to kill them. That green ball seems like a good choice. Four will be back soon. I need to lay low.